Hey guys, welcome to GA Slimes. This is a brand new account that me and another person just started. This is a 2-owner account. It is Nalia and myself. So this account is only slime. It is nothing else. So if you don't like slime, then I do not suggest watching this account. We do not sell. We will be posting every Monday and every Friday, like a beginning to the week and a start to the weekend kind of thing. Paige will be posting every Monday, and Nalia will be posting every Friday. So yeah, today we're going to both be starting out with a slime collection. So let's get started. The first slime is this bubblegum white slime called Marshmallow. And this one smells like peaches. The next one is this regular slime, and it's dark blue. It is called Caribbean Sea. Next slime I have is in this glass container, and it's called Lavender Cotton Candy. And it's more of like a clay slime. Next slime I have is this fluffy slime, and it's called Cherry Blossom. The next slimes that I have are in this little container, and there are 7 slimes in here, so I'm going to be going over them one by one, and we're going to start off with Midnight, which is a foam. Next slime I will be going over is Seafoam, which is a bubbly slime. Next is another regular slime, and this one is called Green Tea. Next slime is another foam, and this one is Donutty Foam or Donutty Foam. The next slime is more like putty, and this one is called Banana Glitter Slime. The next one is also like putty, and it is called Pixie Dust. my slime collection. It is also like a putty, and this putty is Clementine. That was my slime collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy our new slime channel. Nalia will be posting a video on Friday, so I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!